In the late 20s, my grandpa bought this 120 acres, and it was all wooded, and so they cleared it. This area right here always has springs in it, and there's springs, there's water comes across the road. One time the animals just ran right through the water and they'd come splashing through. It looked like a Budweiser scene, you know what I mean? And you know, along the creek area, you know, we wanted to have a larger buffer so that we, you know, could work in having animals here and still being able to graze and not, you know, do damage to the fish habitat in the creek. I think it's good to have your boundaries, especially if you've got cattle, you know, grazing and, you know, with the manure runoff or whatever. And so then when Conservation District asked about putting in the bridge for fish habitat, I said, yeah, it sounds good to me, you know. I mean, I want to work with the Conservation District, and then later they come and asked about putting this in CREP, and I said, yeah, I'm open to it. Yeah, let's work it out. You know, I'm kind of excited to see how it's going to look in 5 years, you know what I mean? And, you know, we're all in it together and working with Conservation District. I'm pleased, totally.
So the establishment of these riparian buffers is critical for salmon restoration. Whatcom Conservation District offers a variety of programs to help steward your land. If you're interested in learning more about habitat restoration programs or any of the programs that we offer, visit whatcomcd.org today.